Have you ever looked at your bank account at the end of the month and wondered, where did it all go? I've been there, tracking my expenses only to realize that my money was managing me instead of the other way around. Most people hate the word budget. It sounds like a diet, restrictive, boring, and full of no. But at Financial Freedom Hub, we see a budget differently. A budget isn't a cage, it's a GPS for your money. It's the tool that gives you the permission to spend on what truly matters without the guilt. Today, we're comparing the two most effective budgeting methods in the world, the 50-30-20 rule and zero-based budgeting. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your lifestyle so you can finally learn to be free. Before we dive into the how, we need to fix the why. Budgeting is not about math, it's about intentionality. When you don't have a plan, your money flows toward the path of least resistance, usually impulsive subscriptions, daily convenience fees, or things you don't even remember buying a week later. Remember the opportunity cost we discussed in Video 1? Every dollar spent without a plan is a dollar that isn't working for your future. A budget simply brings awareness. It moves you from passive spending to active building. Whether you're a freelancer with fluctuating income or a salaried professional, clarity is the first step toward independence. Let's start with the most popular method for beginners, the 50-30-20 rule. It's simple, effective, and works great on autopilot. Here's how it breaks down. 50% of your income goes to needs: rent, groceries, utilities, the things you must pay to survive. 30% goes to wants: dining out, hobbies, or that streaming subscription. And 20% goes to financial goals, debt repayment, and investments. The beauty of this method is its flexibility. It doesn't ask you to track every single cent, but it ensures that your future is always prioritized. However, a common trap is misclassifying wants as needs. That high-end gym membership? It might feel like a need, but it's a want. Be honest with yourself. This method is perfect for those who want a high-level view without getting bogged down in the details. If the 50-30-20 rule feels too vague for you, then zero-based budgeting is your power tool. The core philosophy here is simple. Income minus expenses equals zero. This doesn't mean you have $0 in your bank account. It means that every single dollar you earn is assigned a specific job before the month begins. $50 for groceries, $30 for the emergency fund, $10 for a future vacation. When I started using this method, it was a game changer. It forced me to confront my spending habits head-on. Because if you want to spend more in one category, you have to consciously take it from another. It eliminates the mystery leak in your finances. This is the method for those who want total control and are serious about accelerating their path to freedom. So, which one should you choose? If you're busy and want simplicity, start with 50-30-20. If you're struggling to save or have high-interest debt to crush, zero-based budgeting will get you results faster. The best method is the one you actually stick to. Don't wait for a new month or a perfect app. Grab a piece of paper or a simple spreadsheet and start today. That daily coffee we talked about? In a zero-based budget, you decide if that coffee is more valuable than an extra $10 in your investment account. You are the CEO of your life. Start acting like one. Focus on progress over perfection. Budgeting isn't about how much money you have. It's about how well you manage it. It is the foundation upon which all wealth is built. In our next video, we're going to take the money you've saved through budgeting and learn how to put it to work. We'll be talking about how to start investing with as little as $100. If you found this guide helpful, hit the subscribe button and join us at Financial Freedom Hub. Let's build a future of clarity together. I'm your host, and as always, learn to be free.